So I focused, and I said I need to do something a little different. Opened up my notepad, just exactly what you see right here. And the more style presentation. That presentation, you can see exactly what I thought I did. I told you. And I went through and I a minute as we're building this page. You'll be able to check it out in a little bit at Entrepreneur Cooperative. So we're in HubSpot, which is our platform that we use. I think my connection is too slow for great quality, anti-lag feature. Let's also trigger the record button on here just in case I lose. Get it updated later. So let's get in. Let's go build a page. So this is HubSpot. It's what we use for our website. A lot of our stuff, and then you'll see and gotta play with a couple pages. Need to find page as it sits right now. See what this page looks like. Page. So I'm going to clone this page right here. And I'm going to call it TEC-VSL. This page is cloning as TEC. Uploaded. So it sits right here. I'm going to go in here and I'm going to edit it really quickly. And I'm going to make sure that I get my embed code. I'm going to leave that. I think they picked a pretty good slide right there, so that's okay. But I do need to embed. Like they do the full responsive embed. So what I needed to do, put it in there. I gotta mess with a set. So I think there's these videos to be on a certain domain name, so I just need to go in and make sure that So I'm just digging around it on a domain. Change that. So let's figure it out. Let's go back to the video and see if we can figure it out. Because I've definitely had domain or had videos on this domain name before. So let's see if we can figure out why this won't embed. Settings and privacy. Back to the project. So that's good enough. That's the seem to be. Manage. Share. Manage. Should work with no issues. Customize and see if there's any settings in here. No, it should work. Let's see if it just happens to be the fact that it's in a demo mode right now, because sometimes that works. Let's good to go. Let's give it a new demo. Put a campaign in here as TC. So I am doing this live. You're seeing this live. You're seeing me into how I work and how I function. And it doesn't always go right. So let's go look at this page and see what happens. All right. Let me see what I did wrong. Let's see. Count. Work because I didn't have the entrepreneur cooperative domain name. Pay. We will get and replace it with the TEC logo. Note to self, I need to go through here and I need to fix and clean up our image because I'm and it did not. Let's grab a screenshot of it. As it starts to work, right? Let's go get it professionally written. Logo. Audio works. Yes. You while you're here. All right, so that works. Everything's good. Next thing we have to do is we have so what I have to do is I need to change this URL. So we're going to go to this page, and I hope here. Brief second, there will be nothing on entrepreneurcooperative.com. So in order to fix that, we are going to go to this page here. We're going to edit this URL and make it, instead of making a video, get on cooperative.com. Alright, so now we're going to test it and just see what happens. Next problem is this button right here is going to go in a circle. It's going to bring me right back here, I think. Because when I tell them to click here, it should bring me all the way back around and bring me right back here. That's not where I want it to go, so I need to edit that CTA. So I go back in. We're going to make a new one. So we're going to clone this one. We're going to call this TEC. And then put error sales page. Because I want every other place that was going to and directing you to the Entrepreneur Cooperative, I want it to still take you to this new VSL. I don't want it to go anywhere else. So I want to go here. This one I want to edit. I'm going to say out the ugly sales page, or the, call it poorly performing. Poorly performing sales page. Let's just put join TEC. Let's do that right there. Join the. Next, good to go. All right, so this button though needs to go to the TEC sales page. Perfect. That's where I want it to go. This, close. We will update on this page right here. We'll update this. Call to action right here. We'll put our new CTA that we just cloned. Apply our changes. And I think we're done. Let's give this a refresh. Not. Okay, we gotta fix that still. That's the right one. Let's close a bunch of stuff just so I don't get confused. Where we want them to be. So if we're on this page, page loads just fine. Join the Entrepreneur Cooperative, which is you're one of our members or something, I will, or you're one of our, if you're on our email list, I'll know that you're watching this video because we have Wistia tracking built into HubSpot, and this will